Boom! What's up, everybody? My name's Clint. Welcome back to The Perfect Bag, and I am excited today, as always, to talk to you about a bag. Not just any bag, this beautiful, beautiful bag right here. What is this? This is the Snug Sling from Indispensable, Japan. All right? That is a maker you might not know about. It's a maker I did not know about either, but one that now I'm super glad that I do because dang, they're making great bags. All right. You know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the exterior of this bag. Then we're going to jump into camera number 2. We're going to get into all the nooks and crannies, do a full interior walkthrough as well. And after that, you're going to get 2 things that I love about the bag, 2 things, not so much, and an overall recommendation of who is this the perfect bag for. Okay, so let's get into this. The exterior, I guess the obvious thing that I can say right off the bat, she beautiful. Look at this quilted brown and hunter green exterior, all quilted with this beautiful detail. You'll get to see it up close and personal in camera number 2, but goodness gracious, what a beautiful fabric. Feels like a duvet cover. Here, by the mic, listen to this. Feels like a duvet cover on both sides. They stitched the back panel as well, not just the front panel, and they stitched the strap as well. Okay, aside from that beautiful quilted brown here with the gold stitching, you have an olive color on all the zippers, some stainless steel or nickel plated maybe, let's call that nickel, on the zippers. And then you have a really nice grab handle here, really wide and folded over, doubled up, feels nice. Nylon seatbelt material, the same material that's repeated on the strap itself. It's very, very nice, feels high quality. Really nice Duraflex buckle here. So good. You also have on the bottom stabilizer strap, okay? And you have compression straps that, as with any sling with compression straps on the bottom, you can run a jacket through there or anything you want. You also have compression straps on the side of the bag so that you can expand the bag out to about 4 inches or compress it down to nearly flat and it completely melds to your back. Okay, so exterior wise, that's about it. Except for me saying again, this feels good. Feels like, you know, a $150 vest from Orvis, like something from some catalog in the Northeast where somebody's going duck hunting, but they've bought the most expensive jacket possible. Like that's what this feels like. It just feels great. It not only looks good, but it feels quality through and through. Like really, really awesome. Nice stuff. Okay. So let's dive into camera number 2, and then we will do the interior walkthrough, and then afterwards, let's get to those things that I like about this bag. All right, meet me there. All right, here we are in camera number 2 to take a good look, and check this out. Isn't that beautiful? We're going to take a good look here at the Indispensable Snug Sling, get into the pockets now, and check out the organization. So first off, we'll unzip this. You ready? Boom. Oh! Orange ripstop nylon on the inside. What do I have in here? Well, I put in a wallet, a little pocket knife, and a mustache comb. Gotta have a mustache comb. But you can see there is a slip pocket in the front here and a drop pocket in front of that. And then on this side, same dealio, another slip pocket. Tossed in some aspirin, a couple of pens, and my AirPods. So 2 kind of mirrored pockets here. Both very, very useful. All right, let's do it. One more compartment on this bag. Let me show you the strap up close too. Pretty good looking bag. Like really, really nice. Feels like something that would have come from like Orvis, right? Yeah, really nice. All right. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Just basking in the glory of a newfound bag. All right, so what do we have? Inside we have a big nice space here that, again, remember, you can use the compression straps to tighten up. I put a backup battery in here for an anchor. Then in the back we have a tablet pocket. This thing is cushioned on the back and it is stiff on the front. There is a board, like a plastic sheet right here, that holds the tablets in place. This is an 11-inch iPad Pro with a Magic Keyboard. So that fits in here. A regular tablet without the iPad, or an iPad mini, or a tablet without a case would fit like a dream. And the Magic Keyboard on the iPad 11 barely fits. Anything larger, no go, no fly. Right over here you have another slip pocket. Also has a board in it to maintain shape. I've used it as a multi-tool pocket. On this side, you've got 3 exactly the same size pockets. I've used them for a cord and a brick and a passport wallet. You can see there is some branding right here. It says Indispensable, Tradition and Function, Tokyo, Japan. And then you have another slip pocket that goes the whole entire length of the bag. Then I've tossed a Kindle in there. So, slip pocket with 3 slip pockets, or zip pocket with 3 slip pockets in front of it, tech sleeve, and a nice sized little multi-tool pouch or battery pouch, etc. Could I put my battery in there? Wow, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And then the 2 pockets up front with the 2 slip pockets. A little bit of extra space here as these pouch out from the bag itself. Very nice. Beautiful bag. Very light too. It's made of this quilted cotton material. Huh. And a worry stone. All right, that's it. Meet me back at camera number 1. All right, so camera number 2, had a good time, but now it's time to talk about what we love about this bag. I think the first thing is obvious, right? Don't you? It's the colorway. And it's not just this colorway. Indispensable makes their bags in some crazy materials and crazy colorways. These guys are brave, like making some cool choices. Case in point, this bag not only comes in this beautiful quilted kind of epic street style bag, but also they make a tapestry version that has, like, I mean, imagine a quilted flower pattern that you'd see on the wall of a Renaissance mansion. Boom, that's what it's made out of. I'll link it. It's on sale for only 80 bucks right now, like crazy. I love that bag too. I might buy that bag, but I'm gonna link it. I don't know how long the sale will last. I don't know how long this bag will be available. I'll talk about that here in a second. Yeah, just crazy cool stuff. So first thing I love about the bag, the materials, craftsmanship, and brave design and colorway. Like, just too cool. Too freaking cool. Second thing that I love about the bag is all the pockets. I think it's really good. So you've got 2 pockets up front with dimension. Love that. And then you've got a tablet pocket with cushion on the back and structure. Not just cardboard, but a plastic stabilizer structure to it. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 other pockets that you just saw in the walkthrough. Tons of storage, tons of options, not too much and not too specific, but tons of options and useful spaces on this bag. Really, really well done. I should also say, hella comfortable, like ridiculously comfortable. And this is my favorite form factor of Sling. We'll get into that in a second. But very light, very comfortable, plush, quilted. I mean, of course, it's comfortable. 2 things I think could be a little bit better about this bag. The first one is a simple one, and it's a simple ask, which is on an EDC Sling like this, toss me in a key leash. Toss me in a key leash in one of these pockets up front. I use those key leashes, and I know a lot of other folks do too. I don't use them for keys though. I use them for my AirPods, to keep my AirPods case on a tether so I don't misplace it or lose it and it never leaves the bag. But, you know, toss a hunter green one in here. I think that would have been pretty cool. The other thing that I think could be better about this bag is it's got a lot of dangly bits. Look at that. Little dangly bits. I think that could be a little bit better on this bag. Imagine how clean it would be if the strap was the only dangly bit. I know a lot of people like compression straps, but honestly, you're not compressing much here. You've got like 4 inches of space. So I know these are a design detail more than useful compression straps. I'd have axed the compression straps on the side and bottom, and you don't really need a stabilizer strap on a sling this size and this skinny. So I get it. I think they're added for design effect, and I'm not going to tell a designer how to do their business, but dangly bits do get kind of annoying, and your boy here is going to be taking some scissors to this. I know that's like painting a mustache on the Mona Lisa, but yeah, I'm going to be cutting off a couple of these straps, at least the bottom ones, and at least the stabilizer strap. I just don't need it in my life, and it's not removable. Like, you can't unbuckle it. It's either snip, snip, or deal with it. So I'm going to snip, snip. Who is this the perfect bag for? Well, first off, it ain't for everybody because it's hard as hell to find. I bought this first off of a picture that I saw. So I found the picture and then I reversed image searched the thing to try and find it. Eventually found it on Mr. Porter, which is a luxury clothing brand reseller. They shipped me the wrong bag. So I got it and they shipped me a tinier version of this, which is more of a clutch. It was about yay big, and I took one look at it and I was like, that's not what I just paid $150 for. After a lot of back and forth, got a refund from Mr. Porter, and they admitted that they could not find this actual bag in their warehouse. So, back to the drawing board. I had to go on a search. I talked to the folks at Indispensable. They were very nice and very responsive, but they didn't have this bag available either, and it was out there kind of in the secondhand market and in the wholesaler market, so I had to just get back to hunting, try and find this thing. I found multiple versions of the bag. I'll link those in the video description. Couldn't find this one, and this is the one I wanted because, come on, right? It's sexy. I eventually found it on a Japanese reselling site. Where was it? Rakuten, Japan, I think? Yeah, I think that's what it was. I'm not going to link that because it's complex as heck. I mean, hit me up on Instagram if you really want this bag, and I'll send you where I bought it, because you have to buy it, then you have to set up a proxy shipping service and then ship it. Yeesh. But you can find the Snug Sling in black or in the tapestry colorway in an easier way. That's what I'll link, but do hit me up on Instagram if you're curious. That being said, who is this the perfect bag for? Well, this is, as I mentioned earlier, my favorite form factor of bag. I carry a tablet every single day. This is my EDC. I don't bring my laptop with me. I bring my tablet with my Magic Keyboard. I bring my gimbal. It's how I like to travel light and fast as a creator unless I'm going on an overnight trip. So, this particular form factor, the Chrome Cadet, the Green Room Metro Monger, the Cargo Loculus, and now the Indispensable Snug Sling. The Chrome Link MDX bag was another good one. Rest in peace. The In-Case Reform Tensor Light Sling bag. There's been so many of them. This super slim, rectangular, tablet-based carry. The Insidious Junior from Defy and the Insidious from Defy. All examples of this kind of boxy rectangle. My favorite form factor for sling bags, bar none. So if you carry a tablet, you should look into this bag. And especially if you're willing to be a little bit brave with the design of what you're wearing. Yeah, it's like an upgraded version of the Chrome Cadet. That's what I would call this. Like, it's a Chrome Cadet if they had bothered to put storage into that bag and if they upped their game a little bit on materials and design. So that's what you got here, an up-leveled Chrome Cadet, and she is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed getting a chance to see this very special and pretty dang rare bag. So, if you did and you're new here, please subscribe. Everybody, thank you for the support. Really appreciate all the likes. Really appreciate all the shares. All of it. You guys are killing it. Thank you so much. Everybody, we will see you next time. Bye for now.